Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Akanksha and this is Infi Desires Doodle. आज का स्पेशल वीडियो है impromptu. I thought I'll just put it out. So my usual video will come on Thursday and this is part 1 of Simple Doodles. Before we go, please subscribe to my channel and like the video, share the video with all your friends. And for rest of us, thank you so much for loving the video, my previous video. Thank you Harshal, thank you Ashwini and all others for commenting, liking and subscribing to my channel. Let's go now. So first off, we are going to do simple doodles. You can use a pencil, ball pen, sketch pen, any which you like. I'm going to use this 0.5 uni pin fine line pen. So, and a simple dotted journal. Let's start now. So what basically I've done in this video is I've taken very simple and easy day-to-day things and made doodles out of it. So chai is basically tea in Hindi. So I've made book, I have made chai, I have made flowers and different things. So in today's video, I am going to show you 10 different simple and easy doodles, and in my usual Thursday video, I'm going to show you the rest of them. So it's very simple, very easy to do, and all you need is even just a pencil and a paper. So with the music, you can just follow along and do it. Also, make sure that you don't do this, that is, whenever you color out something, give it time to dry it out so that the colors don't get mixed up. So this is how you can do very easy and simple doodles. So I will just leave it here along with the music. You can see and follow along with me. So do let me know what other things you want to do. This is part 1 of the simple doodles. The part 2 will come out on our usual day, that is on Thursday. So stay tuned for that, and let's see now what different doodles are in store. So this is actually very easy to do. All you need is a pencil and paper and some colors. You can use any colors, pencil colors or sketch pens or normal crayons or watercolors, and you can do different types of doodles. Do let me know which is your favorite from this and what else you want me to do in the comment section below, which other simple doodles you want to see, and I will definitely try to do it. And once again, I would like to thank so many people who are regular viewers, who have subscribed to my channel, who like my videos and share them. Thank you so much for supporting my channel, and you encourage me to do so much more and do new things and show you new videos. So thank you so much once again everybody for watching this video. If you are new to the channel, go check out, I have many other videos in store for you. Do let me know how you like this video, and I will see you soon on Thursday. Take care. Bye.